So welcome to another episode of Mike Plays Digimon. Today we're going to be opening a starter deck All Force Vidramon and a starter deck Galantamon. But before we get into that, we're going to open this Digimon Classic Collection gift box. Okay, so Digimon Classic Collection gift box. It goes in the trash. Trash. Comes with this Altart War Greymon promo. Altart War Greymon promo. And then it comes with 4 packs of Classic Collection. And 2 counters for you and your friend. And a DigiDestin device. So the first thing we're going to do is set aside these counters. And we're going to open up these 4 packs here and see what we got, you guys. These are card asses. They're Bandai cards. I wonder if it says on here card ass. No, it doesn't. It says it on the other Bandai cards. So we got a Gomamon, a Stingmon, a Hagurumon, a Zudamon, a Kurisarimon, a Wizardmon, a Gardramon, a Garurumon, a Phoenixmon, a Dino Beamon, and Ogremon, and Angie Woman. Angie Woman. I think Angie Woman is actually worth quite a bit of money in this set. Let me look that up real quick. And while that's getting pulled up, I will open another pack. Okay. So give me 1 second, you guys. I'm going to pull up how much this card is potentially worth. Now, just so y'all know, Classic Collection is one of the largest sets in Digimon. It's actually, I think, the 4th largest set in Digimon. So that Angie Woman that we have is not the alternate art, so it's not worth 15 bucks. But it's still a good card nonetheless. We'll set that aside for now. And for this pack, we got a Tapirmon, a Baiamon, a Karamon, a Palmon, a Garudamon, an Angemon, an XVmon, that one's worth a few bucks, a Boltmon, Lady Devimon, Metal Edamon, and Analog Youth. Analog Youth. We got the Animega Kabuteramon. So let's see how much that Analog Youth card is worth. So it's not the alternate art. I feel like I'm going to be saying that a lot. It's not the alternate art. So this one's worth $2.74 right now. Okay, you guys, we got Gomamon, Metal Mamamon, Wizardmon, Karamon, Garudamon, Kurisarimon, Zudamon, Piedmon, Plesiomon, Phoenixmon, Kuagamon, and Tyrannomon. Okay, so I don't think we got any hits that pack. But we have one last pack, y'all. Let's hope for some last pack magic. Pimp them babies out. You like how I pimped the pack out before I open them? Give me good cards, bitch. We got a Palmon, Andromon, Devimon, Mega Draymon, Togemon, Ikakumon, Elecmon, Rosemon, Patamon, Greymon, Leomon, and Baptism by Fire. Wow. Baptism by Fire. It says delete one of your opponent's Digimon with 6,000 DP or less. So that seems like a pretty good card, actually. Sorry, y'all, I'm just checking to see if any of these. Machine Dramon is worth 1814. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you want to watch me open up a booster box of Digimon Classic Collection, leave a comment below and I will order one and we will get one in to open for you all. But in the meantime, let's open up these two Digimon starter decks we got. So we got the All Force Vidramon deck and the Galantamon deck. And I want to open the Vidramon deck first, so... Okay, and so this seems to be the contents of the box. It's just a brick of cards. Now let's... Oh! This must be the 6 secret rares that come with your... I wonder how the fuck I'm gonna get these out without scratching them. I guess I'm gonna go from the back of the card. Oh, there's a little place where the tape got put. Fuck. Whatever Digimon did to seal these cards is not making me happy because I am fucking bending the shit out of these cards right now. Okay, so we got a red memory boost, a blue memory boost, a yellow memory boost, a green memory boost, a black memory boost, and a purple memory boost. That looks dope. Hell yeah. And then we're gonna open up the back side of these cards, and I am not afraid to scratch this one up because it is a useless card. So let's just get those scissors right in there. Oh,
just don't hurt yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So here's our 6 secret rare cards from this deck. We'll put those right there. And then let's see what else we got. We got a Devi Vmon. Another Devi Vmon. Looks like you get 4 of them. 4 Devi Vmons. And then you get 4 Elecmons. 4 Elecmons. 4 Gabumons, 4 Dracmons. Cards are sticking. And then you get a holographic Vmon. It looks like you get 3 of those. And then 4 Cordramons, 4 Gorillamons, 2 Monzaemons, 4 Wingdramons, 4 Aerovedramons. Oh shoot, and 4 Slayerdramons. These Slayerdramons are absolutely gorgeous. Try not to touch the card. Try to touch the the side of it or something, because if you get your fingerprint on it, it won't grade well. Not that I'm grading any of these, but that's just for future reference. You don't want to touch the holographic or you'll smudge it. And then we got 2 Hammer Sparks, 4 Victory Swords, 4 V-Wing Blades, and some counters. We got some more counters for the game. I don't know how counters work, but you got some counters with that starter deck, just like with the Classic Collection. And then it looks like a mini rule book printed on cards, which is really cool. Okay, so that's it for our all Vmon deck with the Slayerdramon as the boss monster. Now let's open our Galantamon deck. Okay, and again, we got a nice break of cards. This time, the 2 counter cards were not inside the deck thingy. Okay, that was a little easier. It was easier to rip than it was to cut. So let's see what 6 secret rares you get in this one. I imagine you get the 6 secret rares in each box, because there's a red memory boost, a blue memory boost, a yellow, a green, a black, and a purple. Yeah, so you get the same 6 secret rares in each box. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this. Okie dokie. So here's our, what the fuck is this deck? Galantamon? Here's our Galantamon deck. We got a Gigimon. There's 4 of those. And a Monodramon. There's 4 of those. And an Agumon. There's 4 of those. And it looks like it comes with, it's a couple cards are stuck to one another. A couple Guilemons. Holographic ones, reverse holographic ones. So you got a couple Guilemons. And then some Biomons, 4 of those. 2 Growlmons in reverse holographic. 4 Geo Greymons. 4 Dark Tyrannomons. 2 Groundramons. 4 Rise Greymons. 4 War Growlmons. And the Galantamon. epic looking Galantamon card. And then we got Shine Greymon. Shine Greymon, it looks like they give you 4 of those. Okay, and then we get 2 Lightning Joust and 4 Atomic Blasters and 4 Gaia Forces, and that's it for that deck. So as always, thank you for watching, you guys. Have a fantastic rest of your day, night, evening, wherever you are at. Thank you for watching, and have a great one.